Hello everyone and welcome. Today we're diving into a game changer, Canva's AI capabilities. Imagine creating initial website concepts, designing stunning, highly specific posters, drafting detailed blog posts, or generating unique brand graphics, all guided by your instructions. This isn't just an update, it's like having a dedicated creative assistant. So let's explore how to master design and content creation with Canva AI. First things first, you'll need to log into your Canva account. Once you're on the Canva homepage, look for the Canva AI option. You'll usually find this in the left-hand menu, often below Brand if you're a pro user. This is your gateway. Now, it's important to note that if you're on the free version of Canva, this specific Canva AI section or some of its features might be limited or unavailable, so just keep that in mind. All right, once you click on Canva AI, you'll land on the AI dashboard. Think of this as your command center. You'll immediately see several powerful tools like Design for Me, Create an Image, Draft a Doc, and even Code for Me. Below these, Canva often shows a helpful section like See What You Can Do, which can give you some great inspiration and example prompts to get started. Now for the most crucial part, understanding how to prompt. This is all about how you talk to the AI to get the results you want. Let's start by exploring the Code for Me feature, and we'll use it to generate a concept for a website. So you'd click on Code for Me. A prompt box will appear, and this is where the magic happens. The key to getting good results is a clear and specific prompt. Imagine you're starting a candle business. A simple first prompt might be, make an interactive website for my candle business. Hit enter and Canva AI will start generating the code for you in real time. At the top, you'll see the number of lines of code being created. Once the process is complete, you'll have a full-fledged website generated from just a single prompt. But what if it's not quite what you envisioned? This is where iteration and more detailed prompting come in. Let's refine this. We want specific branding and features. So, our new, more detailed prompt. See the difference? This detailed prompt specifies the brand name, a precise color palette. We even gave it hex codes, key homepage features like the product showcase with options, and a clear call to action. This gives the AI much clearer direction. Then select Use in a Design to launch your website inside Canva's design editor. From there, click Preview to view how your site will appear live. If everything looks good, go ahead and hit Publish Website to make it public. You'll be asked to buy and connect a domain name. Canva handles all the hosting for you, so there's no extra setup needed. Once your domain is linked, simply click Publish again, and your website will be live and ready to share. Let's apply these same principles to a complex visual design using Design for Me. This time, we're going for a detailed fashion poster. So you'd click Design for Me, choose Marketing as the category, and Poster as the format. Now, specific prompt we're going to give it. Why is this prompt so powerful? It details the brand name and typography, tagline and font style, the central visual and its context, background elements, a clear promotional message with placement guidance, essential contact details, a specific color scheme, and even the desired composition and use case. This leaves very little to guesswork for the AI. Once you finish typing your prompt, press Enter. Canva AI will then create several poster designs based on what you provided. As shown, it generated 4 different poster options. You can look through each one and pick your favorite. For example, if I prefer this design, I'll select it. If you want to modify the content, images, or any design elements, simply click on the section you want to change. For instance, you can swap out any image by clicking on it. Canva will suggest similar images or let you search for new ones. Let's change the first and second images with our own choices. You can also adjust the color palette to align with your brand style. When you're happy with the result, click on Use Canva Editor. This action opens the design in Canva's main editor, where you can add extra elements, text, or even animations if necessary. Once your design is complete, click Share, then choose Download to save your poster in the format you prefer. Next up, let's look at Draft a Doc for content generation. Let's say we want to create a blog post. You'd select Blog Post as the format. Then we give it another detailed prompt. After you hit Enter, Canva AI generates a structured blog post. It's a fantastic starting point that you can then edit for your specific voice, add more research, or publish. The AI's output here, its writing style, the structure of the article, and how it covers the requested points is heavily guided by that detailed prompt. It will construct an article that tries to meet all those requirements based on countless examples of similar content it has processed. And finally, let's use Create an Image for generating unique visuals from scratch. For this tool, the prompt is absolutely everything. Let's design a LinkedIn graphic with this prompt. Canva AI will generate several image options matching this detailed description. Pick the one that best fits. Select it to open. If you wish to make small adjustments, scroll down and enter a new prompt to modify the image. For instance, if you want to remove some unwanted text from the image, click on Open in Editor. Then use the Magic Eraser tool. Highlight the parts you want to delete and press Erase. As you can observe, Canva AI efficiently eliminates the unwanted elements, giving your thumbnail a clean and professional look. When you're happy with the result, click Share, then Download to save. That's it. Let us know in the comments. How do you like Canva AI's features? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.